Guys, Seton HVAC here. Just a quick little reminder when you're dealing with your customers, do what's right for them. You know, don't sell them something they don't need. And if you see any of your colleagues out there, any other companies doing it, don't badmouth them, but make sure people know that they're getting taken advantage of. You know, I repeatedly have to save people thousands and thousands of dollars because they're getting screwed and they're getting sold something that they don't need. So let's all work together and make this an honest and ethical business that we are doing. You know, the trade of HVAC needs to be synonymous with integrity and ethics, and there's too many guys that are just ruining it for the rest of us. So just want to say that real quick. Alright guys, I didn't get any installation video for you, but a little closing video for you because I'm just trying to get this done. There's our Runtru side discharge 2-ton heat pump. Surge protector. Everything's all buttoned up pretty good. Got clamps on my electrical. Let's go inside. Fancy cover there. There's your filter access. There's my sticker. Grill up there. Looks pretty good. $65. Heat. Good to go. Just trying to be quiet. I think somebody's sleeping in here. Yeah, it's a good solution for this. Take one last glance outside. It's cold and foggy here. That sucker's frosting up quick. It's purring like a kitten. We're out of here.